Omtec ball transfer tables, efficient material handling solutions. Learn how to optimize material movement in manufacturing. What are ball transfer tables? Ball transfer tables are material handling devices that use a series of omnidirectional ball units to move products easily in any direction. Ideal for manufacturing and assembly lines. Reduce strain on workers by allowing effortless movement of heavy objects. Why choose Omtec ball transfer tables? Omtec Corp offers high-quality, customizable ball transfer tables that meet a range of industrial needs. Durable construction for long-lasting performance. Available in various sizes and configurations. Designed for smooth and precise material handling. Key features of Omtec ball transfer tables. 360-degree movement. Allows objects to be moved in any direction. 50 psi load capacity. Suitable for a wide range of industrial applications. Modular design. Easy to integrate with other material handling equipment. Low friction surface. Reduces wear and tear on both the products and the table. Applications in industry. Assembly lines. Packing stations. Inspection areas. Loading and unloading stations. Used in automotive, electronics, and manufacturing. Why you should use Omtec ball transfer tables. Increases efficiency by reducing manual labor. Minimizes the risk of injury by allowing workers to easily move heavy objects. Enhances accuracy in positioning materials during assembly or inspection. Maintaining your Omtec ball transfer tables. Regularly clean the ball transfer units to ensure smooth movement. Inspect ball bearings for wear and replace if necessary. It is very rare they need to be replaced. Lightly lubricate the balls periodically for long-term efficiency. Note: only use a dab of oil. If too much oil is applied, it may shrink the seal inside and will end up leaking air, making it difficult for the ball to puff up. Customization with Omtec ball transfer tables. Various tables, sizes, and configurations are available. Ability to add ball transfers to existing conveyor systems. Custom solutions for unique industrial needs. Get started with Omtec ball transfer tables. Contact Omtec Corp to find the perfect solution for your material handling needs. Call 508-481-3322 or email us at info@omtec.com.